In this video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online Audit Log and how to find deleted transactions. We'll walk through where to find the audit log and how to quickly pinpoint any deleted or voided transactions so you can understand what changed and when it happened. First, make sure you're signed into QuickBooks Online and on your company's main dashboard. Look to the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon, sometimes called Settings. Click that icon, then choose Audit Log. That's it, you're in the right place. The audit log is your system's timeline. It records who did what and when, including sign-ins, list changes, and transaction activity. Think of it as a read-only history that helps you maintain accuracy and accountability. You'll typically see columns for the date and time, the user who made a change, the event type, and details about what was added, edited, deleted, or voided. It's designed to be tamper-resistant, so you can rely on it as a trustworthy record of activity in your books. If you're here to track down deleted transactions, use the Events drop-down near the top of the audit log page. Open that drop-down and set it to Deleted or Voided Transactions. Once selected, the log will refresh to show a list that focuses only on those changes. This is especially useful if something seems to be missing from a report or a reconciliation, and you need to confirm whether it was removed or voided. A quick note on terminology. A deleted transaction is removed from your books, while a voided transaction remains in place with its amount set to 0, preserving the reference and date. Both will appear in this filtered view, which helps you see exactly what happened without guessing. As you review the results, you'll notice entries with timestamps and the user who performed the action. That visibility can help you resolve questions quickly, keep your team aligned, and maintain a complete audit trail for compliance or review. If nothing appears under the filter, it may simply mean there haven't been any deletions or voids during the period QuickBooks is currently showing. That's all you need to locate deleted or voided transactions. Click the gear icon, select Audit Log, then filter the Events drop-down to Deleted or Voided Transactions. With this simple process, you can confidently verify changes, troubleshoot discrepancies, and keep your books accurate.